friends. So today our topic is Excel. Today our topic is Excel. Do you know what is Excel? Excel is an accounting package, or Excel is a software which is used for calculating purpose. What is the function of Excel? Excel is used for calculating purpose. Excel is used for calculating purpose. What is the extension name of Excel? The extension name of Excel is .xls. So what is Excel? Excel is used for calculating purpose, and what is the extension name of Excel? The extension name of Excel is .xls. So what are the parts of Excel? What are the parts of Excel? Number 1, title bar. Number 1, title bar. Number 2, menu bar. Number 3, toolbars. Number 4, row. Number 5, column. Number 6, cell. Number 7, cell address. Number 8, worksheet. And number 9, formula bar. Number 9, formula bar. Number 9, formula bar. So what are the parts of Excel? Number 1, title bar. Number 2, menu bar. Number 3, toolbars. Number 4, row. Number 5, column. Number 6, cell. Number 7, cell address. Number 8, worksheet. And number 9 is formula bar. So now we will explain these parts of the Excel one by one or step by step. So first is our title bar. Title bar means your MS Excel. Title bar means your MS Excel. And what do you mean by menu bar? Menu bar means your file, edit, view, insert, format. These are the menu bars. Then what is toolbars? I have already told toolbar is divided into two types. One is your standard toolbar and another is your format toolbar. So how to identify which is the standard toolbar and which is the format toolbar? The line consists of your bold, italic, underline is known as format toolbar, and the line consists of your cut, copy, paste is known as standard toolbar. Now clear? Next is your row. Row means your 1, 2, 3, 4. These are known as rows. And how many rows are available in Excel? How many rows are available in Excel? One lakh 65,400 something. These are the rows. And A, B, C, D, these are the columns. A, B, C, D, these are the columns. And how many columns are available in Excel? 256 columns. I have already told yes and no. Then what is cell? Cell is a combination of row and column, just like the definition of table in MS Word. What is the definition of table? Table is a combination of row and column, and cell is also a definition of row and column. Then what is cell address? Cell address is a combination of row number and column letter. What is cell address? Cell address is a combination of column letter and row number. column letter and row number. You just see. Ten, 20, 30, 20, 40, 50. You just see what is cell address. Now I have taken the example of a cell. Taken the example of an Excel. So this is the one type of cell. 10 is also a cell. 20 is also a cell. So what is the difference in your computer? In MS Excel, the computer doesn't understand what is 10 and what is 20, but he understands the cell address of 10 and 20. So tell me what is the cell address of 10, because cell address means it is a combination of column letter and row number. So what is the cell address of 10? A1. A is the column and 1 is the row. So a cell is a combination of column letter and row number. So likewise tell me what is the value or what is the cell address of 50? What is the? C2. Very good. What is the cell address of 50? C2. So what is cell address? Cell address is a combination of column letter and row number. Then what is formula bar? Formula bar means you just write any formula in a formula bar area. Formula bar means, it means to write any formula. To write any formula in a formula bar. In a formula bar. So we will take the example of addition plus minus into division. If you want to calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by using the two numbers, so at that time we will write the formula in which area? In the formula bar area. So formula bar means you will write any formula in your formula bar area. The last is your worksheet. Worksheet means the working area of Excel. The working area of Excel is known as worksheet. Is known as worksheet. Now clear everybody? What is Excel? What is the extension name of Excel? And what are the parts of Excel? Any doubt? No. So now we will calculate how to calculate plus minus into division by using Excel table. By using Excel table. A, B, C, D, name, mark 1, mark 2, total 10, 20, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how to calculate plus minus into division? So in formula, in Excel, each and every formula must be start with equal sign. When you will write any formula in Excel, so first you will give the equal sign. You will give the equal sign. So now we will calculate what is the total of 10 and 60. What is the total of 10 and 60? But one thing, the computer does not understand what is 10 and what is 60. So now we will write the cell address. Now we will write the cell address. So first we will give the equal sign, then write down sum, because our formula is plus, minus, into and division. Equal sign sum. What is the value of 10? A2 plus B2, enter. Then equal sign sum, minus means A2 minus B2, enter. Very good. Multiplication means equal sign A2, enter. Then tell me division. Enter. Now clear to everybody? So if how to calculate plus minus into division in Excel, by using the Excel table, equal sign sum, we can take the one cell number 10, 60. Two cells number A2 and B2. We can take the two cells number, because without two numbers it is impossible to calculate the plus minus into division. Yes and no? So equal sign sum A2 plus B2, equal sign sum A2 minus B2, equal sign sum A2 into B2, and equal sign sum A2 divided by B2. Clear? Okay, thank you.